Welcome to my channel. Here we talk about collecting, repairing, and operating vintage toy trains. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, so I picked up this old MARX circuit breaker on a Facebook marketplace, and we're doing a little test run here. I replaced the bulb inside, and apparently when you short circuit it, that light comes on. So we're going to try and short circuit this. See how long it takes using my test caboose. It should pop and that red light come on. There you go. Success. And then when the circuit's no longer shorting out, the light goes off. That's great. See, now you reset it. You hit that button right there. Came with the box. There you go. Came with the box. Not in very good condition. Kind of cool. Like the box has the instructions, if you could read them, right on the box. And some diagram on that side as well. And so what I had to do was take out this one screw, and then this post comes out and the light bulb is up in there. That was a piece of cake. There it is, old MARX circuit breaker. Maybe I'll find a place for it on the layout. I don't know. Let's take a look. It's pretty big. It's a big unit. I mean, here it is compared to, you know, a locomotive. It's not a small thing that you would think of as a circuit breaker. Here's my Lionel circuit breaker. I don't have that wired properly. But this one, I don't know. It takes up too much room on my board. I have such a small amount of real estate on my board because, you know, I only have a 4-foot wide board, which is the problem. I'll find a place for it, or I'll sell it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.